came to Victoria's Secret today to pick up my order. I just ordered one item, and I hadn't been in Victoria's Secret in like a while, probably in about a year. It's been a long time. As y'all did see, I did a double take, seeing that 40% area. So I decided to go over there real quick and see what they had. They had some nice stuff, but again, I was only going in here to pick up my order. That's the only reason why I came to Victoria's Secret, because to me, their clothes, they're just not the same anymore. I think the quality has gone down, so I hardly ever shop here anymore. But I was surprised to see all of the new stuff that they had. They actually have some really, really nice items. As you see, she's bringing me my bag. So then after that, I just kind of looked around the store. Now this very sexy collection is nice. I haven't smelled the new stuff, like I said, in a while, because I haven't been here in a while. But they just released a new fragrance, and I think it's been out for maybe a week or two, and that's the very sexy Odyssey. I did smell it. I do like it. I was just talking to somebody, one of the sales associates was talking to me about the new fragrance. I actually really, really like it, and kind of thinking about if I should get a bigger bottle or not, because they do have a bundle sale going. I think it's like 3 items plus the pouch for like $85 or $95. But yeah, I just continue to walk around and check out everything, because like I said, I haven't been in here in a long time. And I was surprised to see that they had this in the store, because when I was buying my stuff online, it said that this store was sold out. So I end up ordering it online, and then to see that they had it in the store, I just went on and purchased it again. Crazy stuff, but yeah. I looked at some of the candles that they had in the store. I did not smell any of these candles, but they are $20 for a 9-ounce jar. To me, that's a little pricey, but on their semi-annual sale, I might grab one if they're cheap enough, but $20, it's a pass for me. They also had the matching body care, so I thought that was really nice. So you could grab the candle as well as get the body care that goes along with the candle, but I think these little gift things were like, or kits were like $60, I believe. That's a little pricey. Love the little brush that's in there, but it's a little pricey. Now this collection, this limited edition desert collection, I might have to go back for this. I might have to go back, y'all. Only thing is that these body mist is $20 a bottle. Yes, they are doing a 3 for $33. That seems a little high to me, but maybe it's not. I don't know. I haven't shopped here in a while. But this collection, that one right there, the desert sky, pink one, I feel like I need these. I'm not even gonna lie. I feel like I need these in my life. And y'all already know how I feel about honey, but I have never tried any of this stuff yet, but it is on my wish list. So maybe around semi-annual, I'll come in here and grab some of this. Now this right here was calling me too. Oh my goodness. If this was black, I probably would have bought it. Absolutely love all of their bling collection. And Victoria's Secret, they know how to do it. I see so many beautiful items here. Oh my goodness. That, so nice. Oh my gosh. But that sticker price, the sticker price is super high, but I can't see if I was a little smaller, let me put that in there. If I was a little bit smaller, I most definitely see myself wearing this. I really do. I'm just saying, y'all, that's a side y'all don't know about your girl. But I am a true Virgo baby. So this stuff was calling my name. I absolutely love all of that bling stuff. It is so nice. So if you haven't got your hands on any of these items, when they mark some of the stuff down, I highly recommend you try some of this bling stuff. It's super sexy. It most definitely make you feel sexy. And then why not spice it up a little bit for your husband or your significant other or your boyfriend, whoever. It don't matter. Whoever you want to wear this stuff for, you can wear it. Like that, so cute, so nice, so I might have to get that one. I'm just saying, I might have to go back and grab that. That is nice. I'm just saying, yeah. I'm just saying, your girl is just saying. We all grown around here. The only thing I dislike about the bling bras, because I do own one, is all of the padding. I do not like all that padding. Okay, y'all, I could finally finish this video. My order finally came, which is from Victoria's Secret. Victoria's Secret. I placed the online order. I actually wasn't planning on going to Victoria's Secret. I went in to pick up an order. I went in to pick up this perfume. This is the Victoria's Secret Tease Candy Noir. I went in to pick this up, end up buying this because I actually wanted to place an order for it, but the store didn't have it. But when I went in, they actually had it. And this is the newest fragrance from Victoria's Secret, and this is the Victoria's Secret Very Sexy Oasis. Yes, tuberose, camellia, and orange flower. So yeah, that's what this is good. This is so good. I really like this fragrance. Soft, oh my goodness, it's soft. You don't get a lot of citrus, but this is a very soft fragrance. What I don't like about Victoria's Secret roller balls is their roller balls. I don't like that. I prefer a spray, but whatever. I like this, and I should have bought the bigger one. And I started to order it on Fragrance Day, but I changed my mind. I do get a little bit of the orange, but to me, this is more tuberous. And I think that camellia, I think that's how you pronounce it. I think that camellia flower note kind of makes it a little bit soft. I absolutely really like tuberous note. I really like that. Okay, let's talk about this perfume for really quick. Like I said, I ended up buying this one because I went to the store to pick up this order. I looked around and seen that they had a new fragrance. I smelled this in the store. It smells super good. These are the type of scents that I actually like. I love tuberous. And I think that camellia or camellia, however you pronounce it, I think that is what's giving it that unique scent. And it also has orange flower in it as well. The orange flower give it that citrus, but I feel like when you first spray it, that's when you get that orange flower, and then as it dried down, you get more of that soft, creamy, powdery like scent. This is nice. I really like it. And I just got this to compare with the butterfly perfume or fragrance from Bath and Body Works, because if you don't know, this has the exact same notes that the butterfly has in it. I just feel like this one is a little bit more soft. The butterfly from Bath and Body Works is very sharp. Moving on. I placed the order. I placed the order. Let's get to this order real quick. And I feel like that, I mean, I feel like Victoria's Secret is being cheap to mail my items in a plastic bag. I don't get that part, but okay. Hopefully nothing is broke, because everything is in here and they in boxes, but they put it in a bag. I don't get it. But I don't usually shop at Victoria's Secret. It's been a while, because I honestly feel like the quality of their products has changed. You know, that was my go-to spot for my underwear, but now, okay, y'all. Let me move this. Some advertisement came in. This Hello Fresh stuff that nobody ever uses. At least I don't use it. But they did give me the Very Sexy collection little pamphlet. And it has all of the perfumes in it. That's nice. And it also has where you could kind of test them out or smell them or whatever. That is nice. I like that. Oh, I don't know what happened, but hopefully I hope I was recording. I hope I was recording. But I just opened this. Hopefully I was recording. My camera says something recovering data. I don't know what that's about. But I just opened this up. It had plastic on it. I just removed the plastic. I hope I was recording, but if I wasn't, oh well. So now I'm finna see. I honestly feel like this is broke. Just as I thought. Yo, I'm not sure what's going on. I don't even know if this video is recording. It's saying record. I don't know, but it keeps going off saying recovering data. I'm not sure what's going on, but I did place the order for this, as well as I picked one up in the store. They were doing an early release online for this new product. This is the Cocoa Serum. Okay, yeah, I'm not sure what's going on with my camera, and I don't know what I got and what I didn't get, but my camera is most definitely not acting right. I'm not sure what the deal is. But I'm going to show y'all the candle that I ordered from Victoria's Secret. It did come broke. So I'm going to call and get that replaced or get my money back, because it was on clearance. These were the new releases that came out on the website. This is the Cocoa Serum. Cocoa Serum. The Water Serum, and the Honey Serum. These were all the ones that I decided to get online. They was doing like an early release or a sneak release or something. I don't know. And I think the way you use this is when you get out the shower, you put these on, and it's supposed to put some kind of vitamins in your body or whatever. So I'm going to try that. And then again, I ordered this as well as bought one inside the store, because when I was trying to place my order, it said that the store didn't have it. So that's the reason why I ordered it. So I do have two, and these were on sale for $12. And that's really all I bought. That's all I bought from Victoria's Secret. I haven't been to Victoria's Secret in a while. So I decided to place these orders, with this order, to grab this stuff, because I was actually looking online. After I smelled this fragrance in the store, I thought it was super nice. Super, super nice. And as you see, the box is all smashed up. Oh my gosh. They gotta do better, but like I said, I don't usually order from them, so it is what it is. Okay, so leave in the comments, let me know, have you smelled the new fragrance from Victoria's Secret? Leave that in the comments. Let me know, what do you think about it? Don't forget to thumbs up the video. subscribe, follow me on all of my social media platforms, follow or use my hashtag KimbleLitWicks or KimbleLitWick. Follow and use that. And I guess I will see y'all in the next video. All right, peace. Now I gotta try to piece this video together because for some reason, this camera is acting up. It might be the SD card, but anyway, I'll see y'all in the next one. All right, peace.